Repairing phones sometimes doesn't go all that well. You can make plenty of mistakes that customers won't appreciate at all, and can even land you in trouble with pesky lawyers and courtroom drama. If you want to avoid all that, there's a pretty simple solution you can try. Have a pre-repair and post-repair device checklist. How does this help you? Let's find out. Here are 5 awesome ways a repair checklist can help your repair business. Before we go any further, be sure to hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and check out the link in the description for our featured article. So, what is a pre-repair and post-repair device checklist? Well, simply put, it's a device checklist that you fill before and after a repair, detailing everything that's working or not working. This checklist is easy to fill out and can take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes to do. We'll also recommend doing it in front of the customer so they know what's what. Think of it as a grocery list for all the essentials that you need. Every business needs to have good customer service, and it turns out a device checklist can help you out there immensely. You'll be avoiding legal troubles, but that's not the only thing these checklists can do for you. For one thing, it gives you a chance to upsell to customers. Since you're actively engaging with customers, you can recommend solutions to them. For instance, if your repair checklist shows that repairing a device is a real hassle, you can recommend them to trade their device in and avoid the hassle of getting it repaired in the first place. Turns out, people don't want to waste their time or money, so use that to your advantage. If you've ever had a repair done, you know how pesky it can be to find your device has more issues than you thought at first. Imagine getting calls from your repair guy explaining how another essential component is busted. That's going to be pretty annoying. And of course, when you pick up your repaired device later only to discover something else is wrong, you're not going to be happy at all. Ultimately, you're going to get aggravated at your repair job, yell at the guy, ask for a refund, and leave a horrible review on Yelp so everyone knows how bad they are. Well, believe it or not, but device checklists can help you avoid these negative reviews. When you check a device before repairing it, you'll notify the customer whether there's anything wrong with it. This shows efficiency, and your customers will appreciate you for it. Similarly, when checking for the device after repairs, you'll be able to show them that everything is in working order and that you've done a thorough job. Device repair checklists help build a good relationship with your customer because of the excellent customer support they're getting. So it's a great thing to have in your workflow. Because you're scanning the device before it's repaired, you can quickly identify all the issues with it. This means that your repairs will be better overall, since you'll know everything you need to fix from the get-go. Since you're getting all the information beforehand, you'll save both the customer's time and your own. You can then add them to the repair ticket into a software like RepairDesk that streamlines your repairs and helps communicate with the customer. Speaking of communication, that's where your checklist can help you out too. Checking the device before and after repairs takes some time, about a couple of minutes. If you're smart, you can use that time to talk to your customer and make a better connection. Ask your customer what problems they're facing and try to probe them slightly, so they get into some sort of story of how their pupper knocked it onto the floor or something. Then, use that chance to start a conversation and make a connection with your customer. The more you interact with them, the more they get to experience your undoubtedly charming personality. If you manage to hit it off, you'll have made a customer that would be more comfortable coming back to you for future repairs. All because you had those 5 extra minutes to listen to them. The ultimate goal of your pre-repair and post-repair device checklist is to get you out of any trouble and bring in accountability. You'll be able to keep accurate records of how the device was before and after it went through the repair process. This can help in the future when you need to review things if you get into hot water. And it's not only for when you get into trouble. Your device checklist can also help other staff in the future if similar repairs pop up by letting them know what things to look out for and what to pay attention to when working on the job. To learn more about how all of this works and what else to consider, check out the article linked in the description. You'll find more information on who should be filling the checklist, how to do a pre-repair and post-repair scan, and what to look out for. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you found this video helpful, we have an article in the description that goes into more detail. Be sure to check it out. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe to the RepairDesk YouTube channel and click that bell icon for more content like this. Have a good one.